Airline baggage fees are exorbitant these days, and if you wanna take out an extra bag without paying anything, then this is the video for you. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dan. So if you'd like to take a few extra clothes or a small bag for free, then there's a way that you can do that, and airlines do not want you to know, and that's what I'm going to show you. So the stuff we are talking about is a stuffable travel pillow. So it looks like this. It doesn't look like a travel pillow yet because this is empty. So what you can do, you can fill up your stuff here, and then this is going to turn into a travel pillow. And airlines will never say no to a travel pillow, even if you're carrying this as an extra item. So you can just hang it on your shoulder like this, and you can put it. You can just hold it in your hand like this as well. So either way, you can pack about 3-4 days extra clothes in here. So the way it works, it has a zipper. So you're just going to fill in your clothes and whatever you need in here. Then this is going to turn into a travel pillow. And then instead of taking extra baggage or luggage fee, you can just take this with you. And airline have nothing to say, although they know that a lot of customers are doing it, but they cannot say anything because this is allowed that you can carry a travel pillow with you. Now, when you're filling up with clothes, just make sure that this is fully packed, so it looks like a travel pillow. If it looks like sloppy, or if it looks like not full, then they might restrict you to carrying this with you because they're going to find out right away that you're trying to carry an extra bag, which is not really a travel pillow. But if you fill it properly and make it a shape like travel pillow, then most like 99% of the time, they're not even going to know that you're taking a bag, a extra bag, and not a travel pillow. And that way you can just carry extra item with you. Another tip is that you can just take empty one with you like this, and then when you return, and if you have extra items, that time you can use that. You don't have to use it all the time, but you can just keep it with you in case. And on your return, you can just fill it up with extra t-shirt or pants or whatever you bought, and that way you don't have to pay for a extra baggage fee. So for the next tips and tricks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next one.